Good day, friends. Good day, good afternoon. Well, I'm going to share with you right now a little bit of what's going on with my 944S. This thing is just dictating to me what it needs. And I tell people this all the time when I'm media blasting their cars, and then if they hire me to do subsequent metal work, the question that is always asked, and I appreciate and respect this question, is how much is that going to cost? And I always tell, well, I don't know. It could be this, it could be that, but it's usually going to be more than you would want or even anticipate or even quote budget for. Sometimes it even surprises me just how long it takes. So let me talk about this. 944S, 1987. The battery is behind that hole. Actually, the battery tray. So let me lower this down and show you the inside. I took the hood off just because I like doing things easy. I don't like things in the way. I don't like grease. I don't like, stuff in the way. So, there it is. So, folks, there's the battery tray. And there's some of the rotted pieces right here that I removed from that area right here. And what surprised me was the fender here, the wheel well. I used my, what is that tool called? Let me show you. It's like a scaler. It has these metal fingers on it and they vibrate. I used that and tried to descale the material right here on that piece, and it started punching holes through it, which when I do media blasting, I punch holes through stuff to find the rotted areas. So when that started going through holes there, I was like, okay, it has to come out. But underneath it is the ABS brake lines. There's 5 of them there, and the module, ABS module, is right here. So I just pulled those lines out about an inch, and hopefully I'll be able to bend them back in place. But part of the process is digging in, getting the area clean. Underneath, inside the car, that right there is the pad, firewall insulation pad that I pulled back. And when I do any welding, I'm going to put the welding blanket inside there, cover it up, because that foam is very flammable and I don't want the car going up. So these are things you got to do. So I've got some donor metal and I'll make these pieces. Doubtful I'll start on doing this until next week, because I got all the blasting to do this weekend. But it is what it is. It's always the car that dictates the cost on what you're trying to do. This is all open-ended work. This is my own personal car. I don't normally take time to do my own personal stuff, but when I do, I like to get big chunks done. Get a big chunk of this done, and then I can pull back, set it down, and come back to it and pick up right where I left off without a task that needs to be completed that I should have done today. Like the metal's cut out now and it's clean. So now when I come back to this next week, I'll just start making the templates and making the metal and start tacking it in place, welding it in place, grinding it down, because it's all going to be butt welded in, and it'll be very nice. It'll be perfect. So It's all stuff you got to do, folks. So let me close this out. It's Friday. I'll probably go home a little early and watch some good Netflix stuff. So anyways, I just had a customer come up, so see ya. What's up, man?
Just gonna drop those wheels off.
Yeah, come on in. This is Mike's son. Come on in. You got him?
Got that in the back.
Yeah. Well, folks, here's my buddy's son right there, Greg, right?
Greg, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Greg. Greg's also a 944 owner. And Greg, look at this. The battery tray. It was so bad. Look at that. That's the inner fender part right there. I was like, dang. It's worse than I thought. Much worse. Yep. It's crazy.
That's gonna be a fun project.
Yeah, gotta do it.
Yeah.
Gotta do it. Anyways, it's kind of ironic. I'm making a video and you show up because you're a 944 guy too. Yeah. See all this stuff here? Actually, Greg has a 944 and so does his dad, Mike. Right here in town. These are the bumpers. This front fascia part. Is yours the same or you got a turbo one?
I got the same.
Same
I just
one?
have the
Different
Euro
bumper.
front bumper.
Yeah. Anyways, folks, I'm going to close out. So, choose.